You've tried every cream, every medicated lotion, every miracle product that promised to clear up your eczema overnight. But the itch, the flare-ups, they always come back. You're not alone. Millions struggle with eczema, itchy, painful, embarrassing. And the worst part? Most treatments only mask the symptoms. They don't heal the root of the problem. That's why we created Natural Remedies for Eczema, a holistic, easy-to-follow guide for those who want relief that's real, gentle, and lasting. This is about treating eczema from the inside out, naturally. Inside this guide, you'll discover 1. The different types of eczema and how to identify your specific triggers. 2. How your diet could be feeding your skin issues. 3. Anti-inflammatory foods that help your skin heal from within. 4. Natural oils, herbs, and remedies that soothe irritation without harsh chemicals. 5. A lifestyle approach to calm your skin and keep flare-ups away. Your skin deserves more than temporary fixes. Click the link below to download Natural Remedies for Eczema now. Take control of your healing journey, because relief starts when you treat the cause, not just the symptoms.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.